Welcome back, Squeaky Crew. What's up? What you doing? Who you scrolling? Y'all know who this is. It's your girl Squeaky on the ones and twos, baby. On the ones and mother twos, okay? Y'all not ready for DJ Squeaky to come out. Y'all not ready. Y'all not ready for this, okay? But anyway, what's up, y'all? What's up, Squeak Crew? Welcome to the new and improved room of mine, okay? So, originally,
okay? I was originally going to record me doing this whole wall.
and then y'all see the whole process. But my phone wouldn't let me be great. They talking about I ain't having enough storage. So I wasn't able to do it. So I was like, instead of doing like a before and after video, I can just give you guys a room tour because you guys love me. And I'm like, not two birds out with one stone, so I might as well. So that's what we're going to do today. But before we get into my room tour, I'm going to need you guys to go ahead and hit subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And also hit on that notification button too, so you guys can keep up with my juiciness, okay? Be a part of the Squeaky Crew, okay? Let's get to it. Okay, y'all, so this is the beginning of doing my room. So I'm going to go ahead and go through the unboxing and everything so you guys can actually see what it is that I'm unboxing. But the project is this entire wall, like, excuse the clothes or whatever, but this whole entire wall, I'm not gonna go down because I got clothes down there, but you catch my drift. So this entire wall, I am going to be changing the background, like everything, instead of just painting over my wall because I live in an apartment. But instead of me just painting over my wall, I'm literally going to put this peel and stick wallpaper. You can get it from Amazon, you can get it from Target, you can get it from Walmart, Lowe's, basically anywhere. And I'm going to change my entire room. So all these pictures and stuff is going, and decorations are all going to come down, and we're going to redo this whole entire wall. So from the top of the ceiling to the bottom. I'm not going to show the bottom because I have clothes everywhere, but yeah. So let's go ahead and get to the unboxing first. So like I said, you guys, don't judge the background. Obviously I have to change all that, but we're gonna go ahead and open our box. You know, am I the only person who gets excited when you get an Amazon package as if you don't know what you just bought? I think I'm the only one who still gets excited when I hit the knock on the door, Alexa goes off and be like, hey, you got a package. But yeah, so okay, yay, I'm so excited. So excited. So all right, I got 5 rolls of the pick and peel or pick and seal wallpaper. Hopefully this is enough. Let's see, 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, I got 5. All right, so yeah, 5, and it is the brick kind of texture. You can't see it, but as soon as I unravel it, you will be able to see. Hello, Callie. And then this is the precision type of, I guess you can call it a kit. My cat is obsessed with boxes, like she fucking loves boxes. But so this, and it comes, like, it doesn't come with it, but you can actually purchase it as a bundle. So I got the smoother outer thingy, the knives to cut, and I don't know what this cool thing is, but we're gonna find out. So this is that. I'm excited, and my cat is in my box. Great. So yeah, so once again, I got 5 of these to do my wall. Hopefully that's I'm sorry that my camera would not let me be great, well, my phone rather, because they say I don't have enough storage, but that's okay. So instead of me recording the whole process of me undoing it and putting it up there, which was a hassle at the beginning, but since I got the hang of it, it's pretty easy and simple. I did that part, and I'm halfway done. So I got this much left. So from the beginning point where my record is all the way to here, that's my middle point, and that's 2 rows. Remember, I got 5 rows total, so that's 2. I'm about to open my 3rd one, so I would say maybe about 4 of them would finish this wall off, and whatever extra, then I could go ahead and probably do that part, but then it's gonna look tacky, so I don't know. And I'm gonna throw my decorations back up on there, and you guys will see the finishing product in just a second. All right, so like I was saying, y'all, we're gonna do a room tour. tour, okay? A room tour, my bedroom tour, just so y'all see how I'm living in. Yeah, okay. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna leave out of my room as if I don't already live here. Okay, we're gonna leave out my room, come back in here like we're so amazed, and go from there. Okay, let's do it. Okay, this is my room. Obviously the door isn't always closed because I have a towel right here, but that's okay. There's Callie. Oh my gosh, Squeak, look at your room. It's so squeaky. That's the point. Okay, let's start over here. Obviously this is my 55 60-inch television smart TV because the one in the living room was dumb. I just wanted to get a smart TV. Yeah, I get it, because it was dumb. TV living room. It's not a smart TV in the living room, it's just a regular flat screen TV, but this was a smart one. Yeah, I didn't get it. It's okay. Don't trip off of my cat paw marks. I don't know. Sometimes she just likes to put her paw prints all over my TV. It's so annoying, but whatever. Okay. This is my girl, Akio. Okay, I got this picture from Jeremy West. I will leave his Instagram and stuff in the description box, but he has great paintings. Like, he's one of the artists that I will pay money to get his artwork from. I was gonna get a frame, but I'm like, it's doing too much. And then this record over here, I got that from Amazon. I got 12 of them in a case. Yeah, so I was feeling a little vintagey, so it was just like, oh, I could put them all over my room. We're gonna get to this wall later. We're gonna go to the opposite side, okay? Obviously it's my door, trash. This is my boring but fascinating calendar. I keep all of my bills and etc. listed on there, as well as like whatever videos I'm gonna put up. I've been slacking this month as far as like keeping up with what I'm writing, but everything else is either on my phone or on my iPad. So that's my boring calendar. Another record. I got another record over here and another one behind my door. These vines, of course, are all over my room. Got them from Amazon. I thought nature type of thing would be cute for my room, so don't judge me. This picture also came from Jeremy West. Once again, his stuff is going to be linked down below. This picture, I did this like when quarantine just happened. I was bored and kind of like in a dark mode, so I drew that. Don't judge me. Yeah, don't judge me. I think I'm an artist sometimes, but realistically I'm not. The air is blowing. Hold on. That didn't work. Whatever. But this is my bed, you guys. This is my sweet, lovely bed. It goes down in the bed, okay? From naps to slumbers to you know what happens in the bed. So yeah, that's my bed. Queen size. Ooh, that was coming out. But y'all get the drill. This is my bed. Cozy. This is my wallpaper for what I'm gonna show you on this wall, so don't mind this. Bye. Okay, this tapestry, I be getting a lot of like comments on this. I got this one from Amazon as well. I just typed in nature's tapestries on Amazon. So just a heads up, everything in my room is 90% Amazon bought. At least, well, I'll say 95%, 96. I cannot talk. 95% Amazon bought. So just want to let you guys know that. Got that from Amazon. Okay, pillows and stuff. You know, you get pillows anywhere. The Sims picture, this one, I got this from a girl off of Instagram. I forgot her name. Her Instagram link will be down below in the description box too. But I got this not just because of LGBT, like the community or whatever, but just because I love The Sims. I don't know if you can see it, but it keeps saying, it says stop playing games. I like this one and I bought it because it was dope and I love The Sims, so it's like perfect. Another record. Got that. Love Myself little canvas thingy, as well as Be the Change That You Want to See in the World by Gandhi. And then the other one over here, Not All Who Wander Are Lost. I got those three from Five Below. $5, of course. And then another record. Those two quotes are like pretty lit to me, so that's why I got those. I like them. Another record up there, Tapestry. My boring window, nothing to see out there but a bank, literally like a bank. Like, who wants to live next to a bank? And the bank don't even be open. Like, that bank has been closed since I don't know how long, but the ATM drive-through is always open. It's just so weird. And I be a creep watching the Gotti people or whatever come through and put the money in there. I watch them every Thursday faithfully. They come at like 9 o'clock in the morning and I'll be watching them put their money in there. Cause baby. Anyway. Yeah, so this tapestry it's a tapestry. This was actually on my wall where this was, but I took it down because it was way smaller. This one was way bigger. So I just made this out of what do you call those things? The little pins that you pin up there. I just put 2 right here, one up here, one over there, and made it as a curtain. It's pretty dope. Okay, this is my mirror. my little mirror, my full body mirror. Don't judge me. Oh yeah, I got this card. Oh, don't judge me, y'all. Drunk night, wasted some wine, forgot about it, and didn't get a chance to clean it up. So I cleaned it up the day after. Still left this big old stain. Don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. I have to get that cleaned and removed. This carpet, I don't know what that was, but this carpet I also got from Amazon. I forgot the price of it. Like I said, everything almost in my room is Amazon, okay? I love Amazon. But yeah, this is my mirror. Yeah, don't judge me how I look. I look a mess, okay? I know. Now, going over to this wall. So this wall, as y'all see in the other video clips, this wall was completely bare. This wall was completely bare. And then I took these rolls, like I mentioned before, it's about $7 to $8 per roll. I used 4 of those and literally peeled the back of it and just put this on the wall. So if you're in a apartment or any type of place that you don't want to paint and repaint when you move, this would be perfect for you. So yeah, this is just wallpaper. Don't look too close because I messed up in some areas, but this is wallpaper. This painting I got from Jeremy West. That was another one of his. I don't have a dresser in my room because my room is just too small, so I keep all my undies and socks and stuff hidden away. Don't trip off what's in these. Y'all know my lotions and stuff. That's my junkie corner. Don't look at that. Tripod, of course. This is my lotions and my perfumes, my smell goods. I love these rocks because love, hope, believe. $2 over here I found underneath my bed. Don't worry about what's in that one. My socks. Y'all know. Yes, my socks and my little junk drawer right here. Don't judge me, okay? And then this picture came from the girl that I can't remember her name, but I liked it because the story of women. Men are always trying to bribe girls to do stuff. It's so annoying, but I thought that picture was kind of cute. This one, Jeremy West. And this is where my recordings go down. So I'll be sitting right here, ring light be somewhere posted, and I just sit and record here. I don't use this chair. This chair is actually broken. I got this from the resale shop, but this chair is broken, so I don't use it, but it's there for the meantime. My Coach bag, my fanny pack. Don't look too close on my wall, y'all. I was rushing because I was finna go get some food with my sister and messed that up. I just was too lazy to redo it, so yeah. A little shelf I got from, I believe it was Ross or Marshalls, one of the two. My little candles and stuff because I love candles, and my books. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. The rest of my books are actually in the living room on my computer desk. My sweet sunglasses and my geeky glasses I keep right there just for the heck of it. And this is the other photo that I was mentioning to you guys that actually glows in the dark. So this is from a guy named Steven. His Instagram will be down below because he have good stuff. Got this from Etsy. I think I paid about $50 for this, but it's a really big canvas. It doesn't look like it, but it's really big, and it actually glows in the dark just like my tapestry. When I have my blue lights on, I have blue lights in this one and another one in that one. When I turn them on at night, this glows up with my tapestry, and it turns like a greenish, yellowish kind of, you know, glow in the dark colors. And her hair accessory actually glows. So he actually paid this of a girl that he followed, and she gave him consent to paint her. So I got it. I love it. That's that. And this is the rest of my wall. So I did that from the painting from the ceiling down to the bottom. I didn't do the entire ceiling. Like, I left like a little room some places just so it's easier to peel off, but you don't have to. You do whatever you want. And yeah, that's that. Okay. And then this is my closet. Ooh, Jesus. Okay, this is my closet. I really have to move this. This is where I keep all the rest of my undies and stuff. Y'all don't want to go in there because y'all nosy. Y'all mad nosy. Y'all don't need to see all that. My shoes, my heels and stuff down there. TV. Look, I have to clean my closet, okay? I have lots of clothes. Oh my goodness, don't judge me. And these are my shoes. A lot of shoes on top of the ones that I have down below. Yeah, don't judge me. But yeah, this is my little walk-in closet. This is it, and it's my life. And then here's my room. So yeah,